Lord, I come with the broken heart, laying every sin before your cross. Wash me clean, renew my soul, by your mercy make me whole. Create in me a pure heart, oh God, renew a faithful spirit within. I surrender all I am today, lead me in your holy way. Bumaengh nthanmei neihla Ravguang ruai, lungh, neihla Kandih ryanra ramc, Ravguang Kandih ryanra I'll seek your face with all my heart, turning from the paths of sin. You are gracious, full of love, calling every soul back home. Bumaengh nthanmei neihla Ravguang ruai, lungh, neihla Kandih ryanra Ravguang Kandih ryanra You take no pleasure in the sinner's fall. Your arms are open, you welcome us all. Today I choose to walk your way, with every breath your name I'll praise. Lungh Ravguang ruai, neihla in tau tu sing